To enable UPnP on your Spectrum router for better Xbox or PlayStation gaming, start by accessing your router's settings. Type your router's IP address, usually 192.168.1 or 192.168.1.1, into a web browser. Next, log in using your admin credentials. These are often printed on the router itself, or you can try the default username and password, which is usually admin for both. Once logged in, navigate to the Advanced Settings. Look for WAN Setup or a dedicated UPnP section in the menu. Find the UPnP toggle and switch it to Enabled or On. This allows automatic port forwarding for your gaming console. Finally, save your changes and reboot the router. This applies the UPnP settings and improves your open NAT for gaming. Most Spectrum routers, including models like Aris RAT2v1K, Technicolor CGM4331CM, and Sagemcom Fast5688W, support UPnP. For optimal performance, consider using a wired connection for faster speeds. UPnP is a network protocol that lets devices automatically discover and communicate with each other, simplifying port forwarding for applications like gaming. OpenNAT is the goal, providing unrestricted inbound connections for smoother online gaming. However, enabling UPnP poses security risks. It can create vulnerabilities if devices are compromised, potentially allowing unauthorized access. Spectrum has been rolling out updates to disable UPnP by default on newer routers to mitigate these risks. It's essential to understand the trade-off between convenience and security. Alternatives include manual port forwarding, which is more secure, but requires more technical knowledge. Only enable UPnP on trusted networks and consider using strong passwords and router logging to monitor network activity. Experts advise caution, suggesting alternatives like UPnP libraries with authentication for enhanced security. Make sure to update your router to the latest software for maximum security.